Hi, I'm Beth Babcock. I'm the CEO of Economic Mobility Pathways, and I'm going to talk with you about how we're already using infrastructure to create billions of dollars of new wage gains for low-income people. You know, there are hundreds of thousands of human service organizations across the U.S. today, both nonprofits and government, providing vital services to those in need. So think about it. What if we could harness these organizations to optimize economic mobility? With a breakthrough methodology and a shared approach, they'd be capable of creating billions of dollars in new wage gains. You know, Economic Mobility Pathways, mobility mentoring, is just that coaching breakthrough. Using new discoveries in brain science, we're transforming the way that organizations work and the income gains their participants achieve. As Kaylee Berger of New York City's Administration for Children said, "We've been doing case management for decades, but we're still seeing this grind of poverty. When we learned about mobility mentoring and EMPath, we felt like, wow, it really opened up a new pathway of possibility for us." EMPath has directly served thousands of low-income families in Greater Boston and helped them attain, on average, $8,000 of increased earnings per year. And about 30% of them increased their wages by $10,000 or more. We have already partnered with 115 organizations that have spread mobility mentoring to hundreds of thousands of low-income people. And we're on track to serve 1 million participants through the exchange by 2021. And if those organizations do just half as well as we have, 15% of their participants will increase their incomes by $10,000 or more, generating a total of $1.5 billion in new wage gains. So, how do we do this? At EMPath, we know that economic mobility is not just about getting training or finding a job, even one with decent pay. Getting out of poverty means juggling your health, your family needs, your money, your education and work. Using new science about how poverty and stress impact the brain and behavior, we've created a platform that helps staff systematically coach across all of these areas and allows staff to track and attain gains in all of them. Mobility mentoring routinizes the process of self-assessment and goal setting for low-income individuals. It helps staff partner with participants to make plans and solve problems and chart their own unique pathways out of poverty. Participants increase wages and build skills that sustain and improve their gains even after they leave our programs. And in 10 years, we get an ROI of $2.84 for every dollar invested in participant earning gains, increased tax payments, and the decreased use of public supports. And we're scaling this work in a unique way, too. Instead of building mobility mentoring centers across the country, we've built a network, the Exchange, to spread our approach to paying member organizations. Exchange members include nonprofits, hospitals, colleges, state and local governments, and through them, we reach more people more quickly for significantly less cost per person, and they're seeing improvements at scale as well. As Karen Gantz of Washington State's DCYF said, "We implemented mobility mentoring statewide. We've been able to see statistically significant growth for families, being able to truly meet the needs of families and help them see the possibilities for themselves is both powerful and profound." EMPath is the trusted industry leader in science-based coaching. Agency partners and participants alike rate our work very highly, saying our platform helps them achieve previously unattainable outcomes, and also improves the way staff respect the culture and values of participants. Membership in the Exchange has multiplied more than 6 times since 2014, and the number of participants served during that time has grown exponentially. With the right supports, we are on target right now to reach 1 million people by 2021. And our progress is sustainable. We know that participants maintain and improve their wage gains even after leaving our programs, and the Exchange will break even with membership dues and fees by 2021, generating a positive net revenue thereafter. But to reach $1 billion in wage growth by then, we need to accelerate the development of our online training platform and invest more heavily in data collection, marketing, knowledge capture, and staff. A one-time investment of $3 million will give us the capacity to reach 1 million people by 2021 and to create $1.5 billion in new wages, and on top of that, $800 million in savings to the public through increased tax revenues and decreased public subsidy costs. We have the infrastructure right now to help millions of low-income people with a breakthrough model that is proven effective at large-scale evaluation and a scaling strategy that's allowing us to grow our work exponentially. We can do this. And in fact, we're doing it right now. And so we hope you'll want to join us.